Hello and welcome back to Toy Spree Shopping. Today we're going to be playing with Mc Stuffins Play-Doh set. This is everything that comes in the Play-Doh Mc Stuffins set. We have Doc right there with Stuffy filled with Band-Aids and Doc holding Lammy. This is going to be a really cool set to play with. It comes with 4 Play-Dohs, blue, purple, white, and pink. That's what we're going to be using today, and maybe some other colors too. Right here you can make a chart and the big book of boo-boos right there, and if you open it up you can see that you can make Hallie. Or you can make her the blood pressure tool, and then you can also open it up right here and make Band-Aids, and then it'll come out right here, so that's going to be fun to make. Right here you have her little bed for her patients, so they can lay down and get their rest and have their nap. And when you open this up you can make Stuffy. Here is Doc right here, and right here you can make some more of her tools, more flowers, and it comes with this cute little background card. Alright, let's go make all the characters. I think I want to make Stuffy first. So we're going to get the blue Play-Doh out. So let's get the blue Play-Doh out so we can make Stuffy. Okay, let's make Stuffy. So we're going to put some blue Play-Doh here because he is blue. He is a blue dragon. Squish it. Open the bed up. Take our extra Play-Doh off. And we have our Stuffy. Doesn't he look just so cute? Look how good he looks. Alright, so we have our Stuffy. Let's make Hallie. So we're going to use this one to make Hallie. So we're going to use the purple Play-Doh. Some purple Play-Doh mixed with some pink. Okay. Okay, let's smush this now. Ooh, looks like we used a little bit too much Play-Doh, but that'll be okay. We can use the extra for the big book of boo-boos. Look at Hallie. And it has little shapes and stuff, little stars, little flowers. Let's take our Haley out. There goes Hallie. She's ready to help Doc with that patience today. Okay, we're gonna put her next to Stuffy over there. Alright, now it's time for Lammy. So we're gonna use the pink and white Play-Doh. Let's put a little bit of pink for her hands. Here. A little bit of pink for her cute little bow on the top. And don't forget her pink little feet. And last but not least, we're going to make her pink little ruffle skirt. She's going to look so cute. Okay, now let's go get our white Play-Doh. And we can do the rest of her body. Let's do her head. Make sure we have enough Play-Doh for her ear and this ear part. There we go. Her legs. And we're going to use the rest of this Play-Doh for her body. Okay, let's put some Play-Doh on the other side. Smush, 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 smush. There it goes. Lammy. Oh, just look at how cute she is. Look at her little bow. Her cute little eyes and her cute little ruffle skirt. Okay, let's take all the extra Play-Doh off. Lammy came out so cute. Does anybody want to cuddle? Free cuddles here, free cuddles here. Okay, Lammy, okay. We're gonna give everyone a hug. Let's just do Doc's tools and we'll be ready to go. Alright guys, so we did Lammy, we did Haley, we did Stuffy. Now let's do Squeakers. Okay, let's get Squeakers out. There goes Squeakers. Alright, Mc Stuffins has all her friends. Oh, Mc Stuffins is so happy to see all her friends with her. Now let's get Doc ready with all her tools. Okay, let's take all the tools out and see how the tools came out. Look at all the tools. Alright, let's take them all out. I'm gonna put them next to Doc. And Doc's thermometer. And her stethoscope. I'm gonna make Mc Stuffins flour. And let's go make Mc Stuffins doctor bag. And her doctor bag is actually right underneath her. There goes her doctor bag. Alright, Mc Stuffins is all ready. Okay, let's go make some band-aids. So you're gonna put the Play-Doh in here. There goes the band-aids right there. I'm just gonna push it inside and turn it. And there goes all the band-aids. Alright, let's go make a needle and a magnifying glass. There goes our magnifying glass and our needle. Okay guys, Mc Stuffins has all her tools, her band-aids, all her friends with her. Alright, let's do Hallie's big book of boo-boos and the checklist. Alright, and there goes the big book of boo-boos. Let's give that to Haley. Here you go, Hallie. Why, thank you, sugar. And the chart. There goes the chart and the big book of boo-boos. Looks like Mc Stuffins is all ready to see her patients. Well, that's all for today, guys. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and tell me who is your favorite character from Mc Stuffins show. I just love Lammy because she is the sweetest thing. Always giving hugs and cuddles to everyone. Yes, I just love Lammy. Alright, bye guys.